सबैभन्दा ठुलो कुरो के अरे
पौरखी नेपालीलाई सम्पन्न बनाउने सोचका साथ अघि बढ्दै
सेन्चुरी कमर्सियल ब्याङ्क
सरल ब्याङ्किङ सबैका लागि।
एसोसिएट क्रिकेटमा सबैभन्दा सम्पन्न पूर्वाधार भएको देशमा परेको छ ओमान। 2 वर्ष अगाडिसम्म रातो माटोको मैदानमा प्रशिक्षण र प्रतियोगिता खेल्दै आएको ओमानले 2 वर्ष अगाडिबाट सुविधा सम्पन्न क्रिकेट पूर्वाधार पाएको छ। एसोसिएट देशहरूमा रहेका क्रिकेट पूर्वाधारहरूमा यति बेला ओमान सबैभन्दा अगाडि रहेको छ। युएमा पनि यस्तो पूर्वाधार भए पनि त्यो आइसिसीले फन्डिङ गरेकोले बनेको हो। तर ओमानमा सरकारी सहयोग र निजी क्षेत्रको सहयोगमा लोभलाग्दो क्रिकेट पूर्वाधार तयार गरिएको छ। बालुवा र ढुङ्गा सहितको माटोमा हरियो दुबो रोप्न पक्कै पनि सजिलो हुन्न, त्यसलाई बनाउन र त्यसलाई स्याहार्न त्योभन्दा धेरै मेहनत लाग्छ। करिब 6 वर्ष अगाडि ओमानमा क्रिकेटको पूर्वाधारको नाममा रातो माटो भएको मैदान थियो, त्यो पनि निजी। त्यति बेला सरकारले पनि फुटबल, हकी जस्ता खेलहरूलाई बढी प्राथमिकतामा राखेको थियो। त्यति बेला ओमान क्रिकेटसँग मैदान बनाउनका लागि आफ्नै जग्गा पनि थिएन। 2013मा नेपालसँग बर्मुडामा आइसिसी विश्व क्रिकेट लिग डिभिजन 3 खेलेको ओमान त्यसपछि झरेर डिभिजन 5 सम्म पुग्यो। यता ओमान क्रिकेटलाई 2011मा सरकारले मैदान निर्माणका लागि जग्गा उपलब्ध गरायो, तर खाली बालुवा सहितको जग्गामा हरियो मैदान बनाउन त्यति सजिलो भने थिएन। त्यसपछि सरकारको के लगानी, त्यसमा प्राइभेट सेक्टरको अनुदानमा काम सुरु भयो। पहिलो चरणमा एक मैदान बनाउने काम भयो। त्यो बेला मैदानमा घाँस उम्रिने खालको माटो नै 1000 टन माटो हालिएको थियो। चरणबद्ध रूपमा भएको ओमान क्रिकेटले अहिले यति राम्रो पूर्वाधार बनाएको छ, हेर्दा पनि सुन्दर र लोभलाग्दो।
See, the main thing is interest. We are keen interest in cricket. Without interest, nothing can move. And we have given heart to Oman cricket. And our board is very strong. Board directors, our chairman, is very strong. And we believe, we were believing that Oman can achieve. We had a long dream to bring Oman on the international map. We are doing it successful, not successful, that is part of the game. And we have seen many tours, we come close and we lost. We started from 2002, coming and losing. So that was keep on happening. And I'm since running cricket since last 35 years. And I'm still running cricket, very active. Plus the kind of interest in local cricket as well as our board shown in the interest and confidence, this is bring the Oman cricket. We moved up, and plus support from the ministry, government, and plus we achieved these facilities in just 3 years back, in no time, and then Oman never went back. We have gone up. 2012 we got the first green ground, what we playing now. This was 2000, there was nothing here before 2012. It was a plain ground, nothing was here. We developed the ground first 2012, then we developed another ground. Now we have floodlight. With Royal Fund, Sultan funded for money. This is where we made a academy. This is international class, and at the same time team also has got moral boost, having the facilities, having these and plus our coaching. We had Dilip Mendes last 5 years, and we have seen the development what Oman cricket has achieved. You can see the result. Dilip has done a tremendous job for Oman. We had long-term plan, how to do it, how to achieve. He guided us. And whatever he wanted, Oman Cricket Board never said no, never. Sometimes funding is a problem for us. Funding, all associate companies lacks the funding. But that funding also we use in the proper way, proper direction. We don't waste any money. We make sure that team development, our infrastructure develop. And this is where Oman cricket has come up last 5 years. You see, we were in Division 5, Division 4, Division 3, and we should not forget the players' commitment. The players given their life, we know their family, their work, they are all working people. The time they give for cricket and their corporate also support cricket, which is where Oman cricket is growing. And still they support, they have given their hearts, and they are really quality players, not an ordinary players. And we value our players. We give full support to our players, and we give all facilities whatever they require. They are not on our contract, they are working people in Oman. And whenever a tour happens, whenever our coaching starts, we request their corporate to make them available for our training. So we start training before 2 months, 1.5 months to 2 months we start our camp. Even during the off season when we have tour, we still have our camps are going on. No matter Diwali comes, Eid comes, no matter, our camps is on. Holidays, off season, every time our camps are on. We travel, we do a lot of experience. We hired special coaches, we have a special trainer. He is going to be full time with us from South Africa. He gives the physical training to our boys because our criteria, they need to qualify after 3 years and stay in Oman. So by the time they qualify, the age is already gone. 25, 27, 28. Our average of the team is above 30. So they need a little hard work. So we hired a special trainer for them to give them to guide them how to train the body after 30 years, 32 years. Your reflexes are gone down, your structure is going. So all these things matters. And that way, commitment, the technical, we hire a special bowler when the tour starts. We have two, one for the fast bowler, one for the spinner. And time to time we keep on upgrading our team. It is challenging job. When we got the facility, there was no electricity, no water here. Even today we don't have direct water. Electricity, we got it after the 2 years we started grounds. And when we started making the ground green, we were taking the water from the well water. And each tanker was costing us 35 riyals, which is $100 per trip. And we required 60,000 gallons per day to make one ground green. Every day 60,000, just imagine the cost of the water. Water municipality was providing, but we were spending the transportation charges. Each trip $100, 35 riyals. These grounds are very expensive to maintain for us, especially in summertime. And now we got the water. We are bringing the water from some wadis and this thing. And we got electricity directly after coming here 3 years. This I will say, at least if I say in the dollar, it will be almost more than $1 million. More than 1 million. The grounds, the pavilion, the pitches, you saw the inside pitches.
Yeah.
And these pitches were done by GABA from Australia. And you see we have 7 surfaces, and each surface is different. We have 2 surfaces for the fast bowler, 2 surfaces for the spinner, and 3 surfaces for the normal bowling. Plus we have bowling machine, we have full carpet, and we have full run-up. We have full run-up. It's not short run-up, full run-up. Plus we develop outdoor nets. We have about 6 cement with AstroTurf. 10 we have the AstroTurf. We have real turf with the floodlights. So that also benefits. Yeah, we have a lot of our patronymics, Royal Highness. Big blessing from him, and for his involvement in cricket and His Majesty support cricket. So this is where we have come up with their support. Without their blessing and support, not would have been possible. And plus ministry support us, ministry very much. And they know what Oman cricket and who are people involved. This is the main thing, who are involved in cricket. That is very important. And The board need to be strong. We are our commitment and trust in the board, trust in the players. With the ministry, have a lot of commitment with us. We have domestic, we have under 16, we have under 19 school tournaments, inter-school tournaments. We have women cricket also. We have then the corporate cricket. In corporate cricket, we have almost 80 teams, corporate cricket. And every weekend we have games happening. We have 3 categories game. We have T20, which is called lower division. Then we have 35 hours, and then we have 50 hours. 50 hours, we have A division and Premier division, and most of the national teams select from the Premier division. Premier division, we have currently 7 teams. So we select from the 7 teams, and depends on their category, qualification. That is very important. Most of the players are playing very high level cricket in Premier division, and most of the times players are recruited on cricket merit by the corporates, and they maintain this standard. This is where our quality cricketer comes. We are running so many years cricket, and they know what level cricket and wow cricket we are running in Oman. So they have confidence in us, and they keep on playing cricket. We have Omani cricket. We have 6 local ethnic crickets playing in Oman, and we have rule compulsory. 1 Omani needs to be in the team compulsory, or otherwise they need to play 10 players. It's compulsory, but not in the Premier division and A division. The rest of the teams has to have compulsory 1 Omani, and we have 6 full Omani teams playing in the leagues, separate leagues. I was telling 80 teams, but they are split in the different divisions, starting from 8th division to a Premier division. So it depends on their qualification. They are split in the different divisions. Oman cricket started playing some allowance, those who are playing for the national team only. We started giving some allowance monthly basis. We started last 2 or 3 years on the contract. Even though they are corporate cricketers, we have no right on them. But since they are playing for Premier national level, so it is our duty, Oman cricket duty, to pay something to, because they also give their time, they also give their, and so it is for Oman cricket duty to pay something in return. So we are paying allowance, and we have put the category A, category B, category like other countries. It depends on their performance. So we are targeting 1-day game. We are not thinking of long-term crickets. We are trying to concentrate one day or T20 small format. We are not thinking of bringing the 3 days cricket or 4 days cricket. Still, we don't have that kind of capacity. But time will come. We will maybe grow ourselves. We'll go that tonight. But depends on the availability of the players. It is very hard. But we'll one day, God knows, we have come at that level. Maybe our success will bring us in the 3 days and 4 days tours. Once we qualify with the ICC, I'm sure they will have to play 4 days, 3 days cricket. We'll do it.